Good morning, class. Welcome in your English period. Students, here we have completed our lesson, our poem Bharat Desh. Let us proceed further and continue to do worksheet number 1. So, read the extract and answer the questions that follow. Student, now we are taking extract at worksheet number 1. So, what is an extract? Do you know? An extract, we go through the whole lesson, and an extract is a very small part of the complete lesson. बेटा जो पूरा लेसन होता है उसका एक बहुत ही छोटा सा जब हम पार्ट लेते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सट्रैक्ट. वी कॉल दैट एक्सट्रैक्ट. एनी लाइन्स, एनी डेफिनेशन वी टेक एंड इलेबोरेट क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दैट. बेटा कुछ भी हम लेके लाइन्स लेके वी डिवेलप इलेबोरेट क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दैट एक्सट्रैक्ट, एंड दीज क्वेश्चंस रिलेट to these lines or this extract. Is it okay, students? Now be ready. We are going to pass through extract number 1. We shall be ever generous. We shall always speak the truth. So this is the extract. Now the question I developed from this, the poet wants everyone to be. A poet क्या चाहता है कि हर कोई क्या करे? Yes, the poet wants that everyone should be ever generous. Yes beta, the poet wants us to be generous. Is it okay? So you will write here generous. Next is, and most important thing beta, I am interrupting in between, but the most important thing is that I am explaining the extract and you have to solve it by your own. Is it okay? The second is, what shall we speak always? हमें हमेशा क्या बोलना चाहिए? The truth. We speak the truth. Yes, we shall always speak the truth. The opposite of the word speak is, अब speak word का opposite क्या होगा बेटा? Opposite होता है इसका antony, means इसका बिल्कुल उल्टा. Speak बोलना and चुप रहना, that is quiet. So you will write the word quiet. And from which poem these lines have been taken? किस poem से बेटा ये lines ली गई हैं? You have to write the name of the poem, and that is Bharat Desh. Is it okay? B will be capital and D will be capital. Bharat Desh. So students, now you will solve this worksheet by your own, and we have discussed it quite well. Next is worksheet number 2. Here is again we are having an extract. Let us go through it. Now we are having lines. Let us shake off our fears and poverty and overcome our sorrows and enemies. Yes student, the very first question is, what do we call Bharat in English? भारत देश को बेटा हम इंग्लिश में what do we call? India. Yes बेटा. Next is, what does the poet want to shake off? जो है poet कवि है वो क्या तोड़ना चाहता है? देखिए, let us shake off our fears and poverty. So fears and poverty is the correct answer. What does the poet want to ओवरकम? अब पोइट किस चीज़ से ओवरकम करना चाहता है, बाहर निकलना चाहता है? सॉरोज एंड हमारे एनिमीज़ है. सो सॉरोज एंड एनिमीज़ इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज, विच वर्ड मीन्स कंट्री? अब कंट्री होता है देश, तो कहता है किस वर्ड का मतलब कंट्री है? द यस, विद द नेम ऑफ भारत देश ऑन आवर लिप्स. यस, सो देश इज़ द वर्ड विच मीन्स कंट्री. इज इट ओके? एंड हु इज़ द राइटर ऑफ द पोएम? अब पोएम के राइटर कौन है? सो यू विल राइट द नेम ऑफ द पोएट, दैट इज सुब्रमण्य भारती. एस विल बी कैपिटल, बी विल बी कैपिटल. सो जस्ट गो थ्रू इट once again and write down the correct answers. Just first of all you have to understand the meaning of the question, and all these questions will relate to the given extract. Is it okay? It is so easy and interesting. Go through it. Thank you students. Good.